If you want to build an app as quickly as possible and without having to learn how to code, you should take a look into no code. Welcome to the Round Pegs channel, a channel that teaches you how to build mobile and web apps in a matter of weeks instead of months. I'm Matheus Castro, and in these videos I'll share with you all our knowledge about how to use cutting-edge technology to build apps faster and with a lot less investment. So if you're watching this video, it probably means that you have already tried to build an app or have already done some research about how to build an app, right? When you do a research like that, there are three most common results. Result number one is hiring a company or a developer to build the app for you. Number two is learning how to code to build the app yourself. Or number three, finding a coding business partner on a 50-50 split. But there are some problems with these three approaches. For the approach number one, hiring a developer or a company to build the app for you is usually very expensive. Tens of thousands of dollars, when not hundreds of thousands of dollars. So if you just want to build an MVP and test your idea, put it out in the world, well, that probably is not an option for you. In regards to approach number two, learning how to code to develop the app yourself, well, I think coding is a lot of fun, but I'm a software developer after all. That's not for everybody. Most people will not enjoy the process of learning how to code to build an app. Besides that, to acquire the knowledge necessary to build an app by coding takes quite some time. There are courses in the internet that promise to teach you how to code in about 4 months. That's kinda true, but that doesn't teach you what's necessary to build the most complex apps, the apps that you're probably wanting to build, like the Ubers, the iFoods, the Airbnbs, you know? It may take years of experience to be able to build apps like these ones. If you want to be a software developer, that's fine. But if you just want to develop apps as quickly as possible, to test your ideas, to put your ideas out there into the world as real apps, or maybe small-scale apps, well, learning how to code is probably too much. For approach number three, finding a coding business partner, while possible, it's not very easy to do as well. Because software developers are so in high demand today, most of them already have full-time jobs. Even if you find somebody who's willing to work with you on a 50-50 split, this is gonna be just a side hustle for them. But there is a fourth, more unknown approach, and that's using no code instead of code. And yeah, you can build mobile or web apps in a matter of weeks instead of months. No code is exactly that. Platforms with visual interfaces where you can drag and drop components on the screen and build the apps just the way you want them to be. Okay, Matheus, that's fine, but how does it actually work? Well, for that, let's take a quick look at a simple to-do list app that I've built using a no-code platform called Adalo. The video was obviously accelerated, but the whole app was built in under 5 minutes real time. It would take me 4 hours at least to build the same app with coding. There are other no-code platforms out there, but if you're new to this, I recommend starting with Adalo. That's it! Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next ones.